Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. To buy Adobe Premiere Pro, you just have to go to the Adobe's official website. Open your browser, and once you are on the home page, I want you to hover to the Premiere Pro and click on it. What will happen is you will be forwarded to this section. There are two options. You can choose from the free trial or the buy now option, which is what we are going to do. Click that and you will be forwarded to the checkout process. But before that, since I have already an account with Adobe, I logged in using my account right here. So if you haven't already, you might want to create your account here. It's very easy and it's very fast. Now, you see, there are two ways for you to buy the Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to use other apps within the Creative Cloud, all apps, that's going to be like $59 per month. You get all of these 20 plus Creative Cloud apps, including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Express, Premiere Pro, and Acrobat Pro. All right. You can also add a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock, wherein you can cancel anytime if you do not see that you are going for a long-term commitment with the Adobe platform. All right. But if you don't want that and you just wanted to use and buy the Adobe Premiere Pro, which comes at $22 per month, you would have all the professional video and film editing. But what I want you to do is to see all plans and pricing details for now, because you see, for monthly, that's going to be $34.99 per month. You can cancel anytime, no fee at all, which is kind of like generous for Adobe to give you that leverage. The annual, which is paid monthly, is going to be the cheapest option for you. That's going to be $22.99 per month. But of course, there are fee applies if you cancel after 14 days after. All right, so you have like 13 days before that. All right, and the annual prepaid is going to be $263.88 per year. No refund if you cancel after 14 days. You want to make sure you go to that timeline. If you want to add a 30-day free trial of Adobe stock and get up to 10% standard access, just click this button. For example, we're going to choose the annual paid plan, which is kind of like the most decent offer, or the I would say a smart move if you do that. Click on the continue button. You will be forwarded to the checkout process. All right, once you have selected the payment option. Now, from the card, it would give you all these information. You want to make sure you read and understand all this. You can choose from the payment method if you're using PayPal or any other payment options. All right, you can add new. For example, if you wanted to use a credit card, debit card, a card number, put in your phone number, just click the agree and subscribe button. All right. Once you do that, obviously, once you select the payment option, you will be prompted to create an Adobe account if you don't already have one. All right. And from there, you just have to download and install the Premiere Pro after purchasing. You will receive instructions to download and install the software on your computer. All right. You'll typically install the Adobe's Creative Cloud desktop app first, which will then allow you to install the Adobe Premiere Pro. Once you have successfully installed, you can now use the Adobe Premiere Pro without any problems at all. And of course, you can cancel anytime within the time period. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.